Introducing the Applied Sleep Adjustable Bed Frame, a cutting-edge sleep solution designed to revolutionize your sleeping experience. This versatile bed frame boasts a sleek and elegant design, packed with features to enhance comfort, convenience, and overall well-being. From its effortless assembly process to its advanced functionality, this bed frame promises to cater to your unique sleep preferences. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Design and appearance. The bed frame is available in a sleek black and ivory color combination, which adds a touch of elegance to any bedroom decor. Its powder-coated finish not only looks great, but also enhances durability, ensuring it will stand the test of time. The alloy steel construction gives it a robust and sturdy feel, capable of supporting up to 860 pounds of weight. Number 2. Ease of assembly. One of the standout features of this bed frame is its effortless assembly process. No tools are required to set it up, and you can have it ready for use in just a matter of minutes. Simply screw in the adjustable aluminum alloy legs and plug it in. This user-friendly assembly process is a big plus for those who prefer a hassle-free setup. Number 3. Functional features. The Applied Sleep Adjustable Bed Frame offers a wide range of adjustable positions to cater to various sleep preferences. It can independently elevate the head up to 60 degrees and the foot up to 40 degrees, allowing you to find the perfect angle for reading, watching TV, or simply achieving a more comfortable sleeping position. The inclusion of preset positions like zero gravity and anti-snore makes it easy to find the ideal setting for your needs. The bed frame also incorporates a massage feature for both the back and foot areas, helping to relax your body after a long day. This is a thoughtful addition for those seeking a therapeutic sleep experience. Number 4. Convenience and connectivity. The wireless remote control and a dedicated smartphone app provide convenient and flexible control options. With the app, you can enjoy the freedom to adjust the bed frame's settings according to your preferences, without being limited to a single remote control. Additionally, the 4 USB charging ports located near the head of the bed ensure that you can charge your devices while staying comfortably connected. The LED underbed lighting is a thoughtful touch, providing gentle illumination for those late-night trips to the bathroom without disturbing your partner. The side pocket for remote storage is another well-thought-out design feature, ensuring that your remote is always within reach. Number 5. Value for money. Considering the high-quality materials used, the sturdy steel frame, and the range of features it offers, the Applied Sleep Adjustable Bed Frame represents excellent value for money. The fact that it ships in a single package and is incredibly easy to set up without any tools required further adds to its overall value. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 74 inches length by 54 inches width by 16 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 5 reasons to buy. Versatile head and foot elevation. Preset zero gravity and anti-snore positions. Back and foot massage feature. Wireless remote and smartphone app control. 4 convenient USB charging ports. 1 reason not to buy. Higher price point compared to basic bed frames. Conclusion. The Applied Sleep Adjustable Bed Frame is a well-designed and feature-rich sleep solution that caters to a variety of preferences. Its ease of assembly, user-friendly controls, and thoughtful design elements make it a standout choice in the adjustable bed frame market. Whether you're seeking improved sleep quality or enhanced comfort for reading and watching TV in bed, this adjustable bed frame is a solid investment in your sleep health and overall well-being. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.